Budget traveler ka at naghahanap ng malinis na karenderya that serves delicious Filipino and Indonesian food at affordable prices? Tara, pag-usapan natin yan! Maayong adlaw, this is G Perpetual Kid at tara! Let's explore Siquijor. Warong Balay is located along the National Highway in Barangay Paliton, San Juan, Siquijor. Warong is an Indonesian term for small family-owned business like karinderya, while balay is a Bisaya term for bahay. Together, Warong Balay provides delicious homey food at affordable prices. Siya nga pala, they introduced the Indonesian concept of nasi campur. Nasi means rice at campur means halo-halong ulam. Kaya you can choose your own nasi campur combination for 4 vegetable dishes with rice for 150 pesos, for 2 meat and 2 vegetable dishes with rice for 190 pesos, while 2 fish and 2 vegetable dishes with rice for 200 pesos. As for me, I ordered pininyahang manok, sisig tofu, fishball, chicken pochero at vegetable rice. Meron din silang a la carte food ranging from 40 to 60 pesos. Currently, they serve Filipino food on weekdays while Indonesian food on weekends. Warong Balay has just recently opened pero binabalikan na ito ng customers dahil sa masasarap at affordable nilang mga pagkain. Again, this is J Perpetual Kid and we explored a newly opened Filipino-Indonesian level up karenderya dito sa Siquijor, Warong Balay. Hanggang sa susunod na biyahe, ayo-ayo!